Hi there, my name is Paul. I'm part of the company called Freenters. We're here at one of our stations. This is actually the Kyocera model. Today we're going to discuss how to troubleshoot problems that we find with the Kyocera model. The two most common problems we find with printers is printer jams and a toner waste box problem. We're going to go over each of them separately. So we'll start with the paper jams. So if there is a paper jam, first thing to note is the screen on the top of the printer display. It will say paper jam, and in that case, there's two compartments that you have to check for a jam piece of paper. The first is the front cover. If you look here closely, all you have to do is open the front cover, pull the cover down, and you will see a piece of paper inside here. If not, you have to check the second compartment. The second compartment is a little bit more difficult to find. There are these green buttons that you will find on the top of the printer. You have to pull these buttons towards you on both sides of the printer and just peel off the front cover. Inside you'll see a lot of stuff, but most likely you'll find another piece of paper somewhere inside this compartment. If you pull these two papers out and you close the cover, you can print again. Alright, so the second problem we're going to troubleshoot today is the toner waste box problem. And this error will also show up in the screen display. So if you ever see the toner waste box listed across the display, you just have to check the left side of the printer. So on the left side of the printer, you'll see a small compartment here. The way you access it is that there's a small button here that you can see. If you click it, it'll just pop right open. Inside the compartment, you'll see that there's a plastic bottle. This plastic bottle is a toner waste box. It collects, just powder particles from the printing process, and it actually just needs to be thrown out. So the way you get this bottle out of here, you'll see that it doesn't come out very easily. Right below the cap, you'll see a small lever here. If you pull that lever towards the right, the bottle comes right out. So you just want to take this bottle and dump it in the closest waste bin, and you can get right back to printing. After you dump the contents, you can bring it back to the printer. All you have to do is click it back into place. Make sure you hear the click so you know that it's fully in there. Close the cap and close the cover. If all else fails, you went through these steps and you still have a problem with the Kyocera model, just take a look at our screen. You'll see the contact information for troubleshooting there. Anthony Gilbert, in this case, is our maintenance worker. He's going to help you solve any issues that you might have. So that's pretty much troubleshooting the Kyocera model. If you have any other problems, please submit a ticket.